eWed Insurance presents. What is wedding insurance? For many couples, their wedding day is one of the most anticipated events in their lives. After months or even years of planning and excitement, it's a day filled with joy and celebration. Something that some couples don't think about during this special time is protecting their investment through buying wedding insurance. In this video, we are going to talk about what wedding insurance is, why it's important, and how it can save you time and money if something unexpected comes up during your special day. Wedding insurance is actually divided into two types of insurance. The first is liability insurance. When you choose a venue for your wedding or special event, the venue asks that you sign a contract, which makes you responsible for any property damage or injuries caused by you or your guests during your wedding. Liability insurance is typically required by your venue and can protect you if after the wedding you get a bill for property damage, or if you get sued for an injury at the event. Accidents and property damage might be the last thing on your mind as you plan your wedding. I want to share some examples of where liability insurance can provide coverage. Imagine it's the day of your event, and one of your guests accidentally drives over an electronic gate control opener as they're leaving, causing a hefty $8,000 in damage. Or the groomsmen get a bit too enthusiastic and break an antique sofa, which could cost upwards of $1,000 or more to replace. Or there is an accident and someone falls during the classic tradition of lifting the honorees on chairs during the celebration, racking up medical bills. These are just some examples of where liability insurance can save you thousands of dollars in legal fees and expenses. eWed's liability insurance also includes host liquor liability coverage, and this is vital if you are considering serving any alcoholic beverages at your event, including just beer and wine. The worst-case scenario here is where a guest leaves your event drunk, drives, and gets into an accident. You could be sued and forced into a lengthy legal battle. Liability insurance can step in to protect you in this situation. eWed's liability insurance covers you for 3 full days, including your rehearsal dinner, wedding, and farewell brunch, with policies starting at only $119 for up to $1 million in coverage. Our liability insurance is 100% guaranteed to be accepted by your venue, or we will give you a full refund. You can purchase liability insurance up to 1 day before your event, but we highly encourage you purchase insurance as soon as you start paying your deposits. One less thing on your to-do list. This brings us to the second type of insurance, cancellation insurance. No one likes to think about canceling or postponing their wedding, but things do happen that are out of our control. Cancellation insurance is all about protecting you from financial loss if you need to postpone or cancel your wedding or if you have a no-show vendor. The benefit of cancellation insurance is that it can reimburse you for lost deposits if something goes wrong. There are literally tens of thousands of possible scenarios for what could go wrong that would be covered by this kind of insurance. For example, the groom is riding his bike the day before the wedding and gets in an accident and breaks his ankle. He is okay, but the wedding needs to be postponed until he recovers and can walk down the aisle. Or the venue is in California, and the couple gets stuck in Colorado due to a snowstorm and can't make it to the venue on their wedding date. Or the bride is in the military and gets deployment orders a week before her wedding date. Cancellation insurance can help you recoup lost deposits, cover fees associated with postponing, and get you back on track to celebrate your wedding as originally planned. Now, the wedding doesn't need to be canceled for you to use your cancellation insurance coverage. Say your photographer cancels last minute and refuses to give back your deposit. Now you need to hire a new photographer, and there is going to be a rush fee added on because of the late notice. Cancellation insurance can cover the difference in the new photographer and the rush fee, which can be especially helpful if you can't get your deposit back. Cancellation starts at an affordable $75, and you can purchase cancellation at any time prior to your wedding day. We highly recommend that you purchase it when you start making your deposits because that is when you have money at risk. There are a few restrictions where cancellation insurance can't provide coverage, such as COVID-related losses, change of heart, and pre-existing conditions. Both policies have 0 deductibles if you do need to file a claim. Plus, applying for insurance only takes 3 minutes from start to finish, with all your policy documents being automatically emailed to you and your venue. If you have any questions or need more information, our blog is a great resource at ewedinsurance.com. Or you can call or send us an email. We typically respond in less than an hour. eWed's reputation is backed by a 5-star rating on Google Review, a 9.9 out of 10 customer satisfaction score, and more press coverage than you can shake a stick at. Plus, the eWed team brings over 50 years of combined experience, making them experts at getting you the coverage you need for your special event. Wedding insurance offers essential protection for your big day. From liability coverage to cancellation insurance, it ensures peace of mind against unforeseen events. With eWed, you get reliable coverage and expert support for your special occasion. Visit us at ewedinsurance.com and get your free quote today.